Welcome to Azenta Limfinity Biobanking Limbs. In this video, we will be discussing how to view the storage hierarchy, create new container types, and create new freezers. The storage hierarchy can be found under the Storage Quick Link folder. To view the hierarchy, click on Sites, pick the site that you would like to see, open it up by double-clicking, and you can see the tree of freezers in this location. You can expand the tree to see the freezer, shelf, and box, and view the samples inside of the box. In the hierarchy, when you add a new freezer, you can designate the order and the number of levels of subdivisions. This is done by defined container types. Container types can be found and edited using the Explorer menu. Navigate to Explorer. In the filter, type Container and select Container Types. In here, you can edit a current container type, or you can add a new container type. I'm going to add a new container type. This container type will be called freezer door. In this case, I'm going to indicate that this is not in AutoStore, and the freezer door can contain other subcontainers. The other subcontainers is a drop-down list of containers that have already been created. In my freezer door, I can contain a rack shelf, a rack, a shelf, or a tray. When I select OK, my new freezer door has been added, and you can see the subcontainers that are allowed in that container type. When I go back to my storage hierarchy, I can add a new freezer, indicate the name of the freezer, record the serial number of the freezer, and enter any other details that I need to view in this freezer. I'm going to choose that this is not a liquid nitrogen tank and choose my temperature. Now I want to select the container types inside of my freezer. In this case, I'm going to choose the freezer door that I just created. I can also indicate how many freezer doors I have in this freezer. Because freezer door can contain additional subcontainers, there's another drop-down with the list of subcontainers that I told the system freezer door can contain. Now I'm going to say I can have a rack shelf, and there are 3 rack shelves in each freezer door. In the rack shelves, there are racks, and there are 4 racks on each shelf. When I select OK, my freezer will be created and added to this site. I can now see this freezer here with each level of its hierarchy created underneath. When I create new boxes, I can store them under the rack level.